Weight has become such an infamous topic for discussion. We want to know more about weight gain or weight loss. We want to know how to achieve success over some number, and that decides whether we are healthy or not. Gaining weight has become a concern. Being underweight leads to improper growth and development in children. Also, it affects teenagers and even young adults. So let's understand how to gain weight and become healthy at all. There are certain superfoods that can be consumed for increasing your weight or coming back to a balanced state. They are first, banana. Bananas are excellent choice. If you are looking to bring balance and gain weight, they are not only nutritious but a great source of carbohydrates and calories. You can start your day with a banana. You can also have banana with milk or curd. I think 2 or 3 bananas every day is advised. Second, rice. Rice is rich in carbohydrate and can be easily consumed in your daily life. Unpolished hand-pounded rice is much better than a polished white rice. White rice is higher in calories, but nutrients are very poor compared to unpolished rice, which really helps in bringing balance in our health. Different type of rice contains different types of starch, which affects their texture and digestibility. And thus understand that unpolished rice is higher in fiber and nutrients, so that should be taken regularly. Having 2 portions in a day is recommended along with normal lentils in a day. Third, potatoes. Potatoes are rich in starch and carbohydrates, and this will help you increase your adipose tissue. It can be incorporated in your diet as a snack or in your meals. Sweet potato is also very good option. A healthy option, which person should consider, about 100 grams of potatoes, person can consume per day. And this would become like a 1 bowl of potato soup. Fourth option, chickpeas or cheddar. Chickpeas are high in protein critical to an overall growth. A higher protein in chickpeas really helps repair and functioning of your body. And this will ensure an overall growth. Protein promotes in increasing your muscle mass, which assists the body in burning fat. Eating 1 serving of beans, peas, chickpeas or lentils can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and keep you healthy. It also would help you in weight management. Fifth, pain and whole milk. Dairy products like pain, whole milk, have high protein content. It has even high fat content, and that's why it helps you in weight gain. Drinking 1 glass of whole milk is the best solution to have at night before going to bed. And that would ensure a good health, as well as that would ensure a good sleep. Sixth, tofu. Tofu and other soya products are excellent source of protein. They have a soluble fiber and also help in controlling diabetes. It helps even in hypertension and many other diseases. Soya products should be very much part of your kitchen snack for sure, especially when you are looking forward for a healthy weight gain, then exercise and yoga. Since we are talking about weight gain or coming balance to our health, I have noticed that people usually avoid exercises. They feel that by doing exercise, they will reduce further, and so they avoid it. They feel like eating anything and everything, and lazy around but not do the exercise or walking. R can help maintaining optimal weight and also building up muscles. Some as you can try are Surana, DFK3 are the same Rasan K2, and these help with overall workout of the body and help muscle walking every day. And activities like walking, cycling, swimming are also beneficial. Pranay arms likes curry. You get the pranay number 2 and 3. That is, intercostal breathing and clavicular breathing also would help. Keep in mind will not lead to healthy weight gain. Eating properly and exercising optimally will help for sure. So take care of yourself along with it. It is observed that if mind is under stress, nothing is going to help. And so see to it that mind is always enthusiastic, cheerful and happy. So take care whatever you do it happily, cheerfully. That would help you much more. Take charge of yourself. See that your weight is perfect, not low weight or high weight, but a balanced body. Take care, you will be able to achieve that. It's not difficult. First, what is required is determination, and here you will get the result. So take charge. All the best. Number start.